guys, so welcome to today's video. I'm very excited because I'm going to be building a dog bowl, and I just really can't wait because this is a very practical piece for me. Right now we have 4 different dog bowls and it's just a cluttered mess. So I want to organize that with something that is designed very well, and I just want to be able to build something for my puppies because I love them so much. But first of all, I have 2 announcements. First, today's the Popeyes chicken sandwich release, and I cannot wait because I love these chicken sandwiches. I had them before and now they're back, so I can't wait to join that mania. Second, we hit 100 subscribers. So I am so thankful to all of you. You guys are amazing. Thanks for engaging with my content. Thank you guys so much. So I'm about to go to Popeyes, of course, because it's Sunday and I need a chicken sandwich.
Okay, what can I get for you?
Could I get 3 chicken sandwiches and 1 spicy chicken sandwich?
There we go.
Thank you. Are you guys usually this busy this morning?
No. Just the sandwiches.
Oh.
Just because of that, yeah.
Cool.
Here's your order.
Thank you. And does it say like which one's the no mayo one?
Yeah, it's already marked.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. So back to the project. I'm going to hand plane the sides of my wood so when I glue everything together, there are no gaps. Make sure when you start gluing, you have a surface that's flat and that you can glue both sides of your pieces. I cut one of my sides with my miter saw to give myself a straight edge. And I did this pretty slowly to prevent any tear out that may happen from this. But there was some, and I was able to sand that down and get that planed off. But just be very careful with it. I then moved on to my table saw, and this is where I cut my other side, which was way easier than using my miter saw. This was really terrible. I tried to hand plane on horses for the sake of the gram, but ended up moving to a table instead. But I'm back now, sanding my piece down to 100 grit so that I can cut my piece down. Now for the best part. I created this jig to cut out a circle with my router. I'll leave a link to the video I used in the description because it was really great. I tried this out many times on test pieces to ensure my bowl would fit without falling through. The trick to this method though is to go really slow and only take out a small piece at a time. This whole process took me about 45 minutes or so, but it was super satisfying. Since my piece was super thick and my bit wasn't long enough, I made sure I drilled a hole through the entire piece when I first started, and then now I flipped it over and can still use that hole as a reference to start my other side. For the legs, I cut out a 45-degree angle to make sort of a tapered leg, and then I cut my leg a few inches tall. To connect my legs to the base, I had to drill a hole in the center of that piece using my dowel jig and my drill. I put a piece of tape there so that I knew how long that would be. I then added in some tidal bond to the holes to keep my dowels in place. My next step, measure out 1 1/4 inch from both sides of my corner to find my mark and then drill the hole as straight as possible. Once I had my mark, I drilled with my test piece for my leg to make sure that I kept it as straight as possible. Sorry for this terrible lighting in this section. Daylight saving sucks for a part-time DIYer. Here you'll want to add a decent amount of glue to the hole in your base and around the hole for a tight bond. I left my dowels clamped overnight. I sanded my piece down to 110 grit, then added cutting board oil and oil-based poly to my piece for a nice finish. And then here are the results. It's so gorgeous. And that's it. I built my dog stand for my dog bowls, and it looks great because it's organized now compared to what it was before. Tuka and Manny love it, and I love it, and Mondo loves it, so I think it's a great success. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe to get more content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell so you get notifications. See you guys later.